Life in Murray offers many advantages: friendly communities, convenient amenities, and beautiful neighborhoods. But with growth and activity also comes noise. Busy streets, new developments, and lively neighborhoods can all create sound that travels into your home. That's why many homeowners are turning to soundproof doors as a smart solution. Not only do these doors reduce unwanted noise, but they also improve comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency. Here's why soundproof doors are gaining popularity in Murray neighborhoods. Creating a quieter home environment. One of the biggest reasons soundproof doors are in demand is the peace and quiet they provide. Blocking outdoor noise. Whether it's traffic, barking dogs, or construction, soundproof doors create a buffer between your home and the outside world. Improving relaxation. A quieter home helps reduce stress and makes it easier to unwind after a busy day. Better sleep. Bedrooms benefit the most, as soundproof doors help family members sleep soundly, even in noisier areas of Murray. For families seeking a calm retreat from the city's bustle, soundproof doors make a noticeable difference. Enhancing privacy indoors. Soundproofing isn't just about blocking outside noise, it's also about keeping your own conversations and activities private. Home offices. With more people working remotely, soundproof doors prevent distractions and help create professional work environments. Bedrooms and nurseries. Families appreciate the added privacy for children's rooms or personal spaces. Entertainment rooms. Home theaters or game rooms stay contained without disturbing the rest of the household. This improved indoor privacy is a big reason why Murray homeowners are investing in soundproofing upgrades. Boosting energy efficiency. Soundproof doors do more than reduce noise, they also insulate better. Most designs feature solid cores, dense materials, and tight seals that prevent air leaks. Winter benefits. Keep cold drafts out and warm air inside. Summer benefits. Block hot air from seeping in, reducing strain on your AC system. Lower bills. Improved insulation helps cut energy costs year-round. With Murray's seasonal temperature swings, energy efficiency is a key advantage that makes soundproof doors even more appealing. Stylish options for every home. Some homeowners worry that upgrading to soundproof doors means sacrificing style. In reality, today's options combine performance with design flexibility. Materials. Solid wood, fiberglass, and even steel options can be customized to match your home's look. Designs. From modern minimalist to traditional styles, there's a door to complement every architecture. Glass panels. Laminated or double-pane glass inserts provide light while still reducing sound. This combination of form and function makes soundproof doors an easy way to enhance both comfort and curb appeal. Added value. For Murray homes, soundproof doors also contribute to long-term value. As Murray neighborhoods continue to grow, homes near busier streets may face more noise exposure. Buyers will appreciate features that provide peace and quiet. Increased resale value. Noise-reducing upgrades are attractive selling points. Competitive edge. A home with soundproof doors stands out in the real estate market. Durability. High-quality doors last longer and maintain their performance, making them a wise investment. For homeowners looking ahead, soundproof doors add both lifestyle benefits and financial value. Professional installation makes the difference. To enjoy the full benefits of soundproof doors, professional installation is essential. Experts ensure doors fit snugly within their frames. Seals and weather stripping are properly applied. Materials perform as intended without gaps or misalignment. This precision guarantees your doors deliver the sound control, energy efficiency, and security you expect. Final thoughts for Murray families. Soundproof doors offer more than just noise reduction. They provide comfort, privacy, energy savings, and long-term value. As neighborhoods grow and activity increases, homeowners are discovering that a quieter, more peaceful home is worth the investment. By choosing stylish, Professionally installed soundproof doors, you can create a home that feels like a true retreat from the outside world while adding value to your property. That's why soundproof doors are becoming one of the most popular upgrades in Murray neighborhoods today.